I'm Jose Cisneros. I'm the city treasurer of San Francisco. Think about it. If someone doesn't have a bank account, every time that person gets paid, they have nowhere to go with their paycheck than one of these check cashers. And if anybody takes all their paychecks to a check casher over the course of a year, they're going to pay hundreds of dollars in fees, maybe even $1,000 over the course of the year. And payday loans, unfortunately, are an incredibly predatory product. A simple payday loan, a 2-week loan, comes at an annual rate of interest of 400%. And the majority of payday loans, actually, people can't manage to pay them back in 2 weeks. No surprise. If I don't have the money today, it's probably not really likely I'm going to have all that money in 14 days.
Why should we care that there are two economies?
I think when we look at the fact that there are, people that are successful in the mainstream financial economy, and then there's this fringe that's literally taking advantage of people, that's ripping people off with excessive check cashing fees, payday lending costs, and other fees that pawnbrokers charge or rent-to-own stores or whatever. These kinds of fringe financial service providers, they build their whole business model on charging excessive fees and taking advantage of people, I believe, and taking advantage of people that feel they don't have other options or don't know they have other options. And by having, oftentimes, what are the people with the least amount of money, the poorest people in our economies, being taken advantage of like that, it just makes their situation get that much worse and make it that much more difficult for them to join the mainstream, be successful, and be a vibrant, productive part of our local economy. It really affects all of us, and that's why it's so important for city government to get involved.